What you see after an accident is the tip of the iceberg. An injury, damaged equipment, a disrupted process. But below the surface, invisible to most investigators, are the real causes. And the longer they stay hidden, the more accidents pile up on top. Frank Bird built a model specifically to force investigators to look underwater. Let's see what he found there. In the 1960s, Frank Bird analyzed over 1.7 million accident reports from nearly 300 companies through an American insurance firm. That is not a small sample. That is the largest systematic study of accidents ever conducted at that time. What he found forced him to rebuild Heinrich Domino sequence from scratch. His model has 5 stages, and crucially, it places responsibility somewhere Heinrich never looked. That is management. Bird's 5 dominoes, reading right to left from loss back to the root cause, is loss, which is harm to people, damage to property, process disruption. The visible outcome. Incident, which is the moment of contact, energy transfer like struck by, caught in, fall, exposed to chemical. This is how the loss happened. Third is immediate causes, the unsafe acts and unsafe conditions present just before the incident. These are obvious, what most investigations stop at. Fourth is basic causes, the real reason the unsafe acts and conditions existed. They include personal factors like lack of skills, stress, poor motivation, and job system factors like inadequate equipment, poor work standards, worn-out machinery. And finally, the most important domino, lack of management control. The failure to establish adequate systems, standards, or compliance with those standards. This is what makes Bird's model different. The worker did not cause the accident. The system that failed the worker caused the accident. Imagine same forklift scenario from last episode. Using Bird framework, loss will be the injury and wreck damage, incident, the collision, kinetic energy transfer. Immediate cause will be speeding forklift, no physical barrier. Basic cause, operator not adequately trained, which is personal factor. No speed standard and place, no physical lane marking, job factor. In the most important one, lack of management control, no formal safety program requiring speed limits, no inspection standard, no enforcement procedures. Do you see the difference? Now the investigation does not end with the operator. It ends in the boardroom or at least the supervisor desk. The corrective actions look totally different too. Not just to retrain the driver, but design a proper traffic management system and make management accountable for it. Bird also updated Heinrich pyramid with more precise ratio from his study. 1 serious injury, 10 minor injuries, 30 property damage accidents, 600 near-miss incidents with no visible injury or damage. That last number is critical. 600 chances to catch the problem before it becomes a statistic. Bird also introduced the word incident instead of accident because many of those 600 events were close calls, and close calls are data. They are the system telling you it's about to fail. Frank Bird gave something Heinrich did not, a trail that leads above the worker into the management system where most of the real causes lie. But the question remained, how do we make the entire organization responsible? Not just one manager, every single person. That's the question the next episode answers. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos.